Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo, a drone that stands out with its incredible 4K camera and 114-minute flight time, making it perfect for adults and beginners alike who are looking for a high-quality aerial photography experience. The DJI Mini 3 is designed to be a powerful yet user-friendly drone, packed with advanced features that make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage. Let me break down the specs. The DJI Mini 3 is equipped with a powerful processor chip, the 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, and features a 7.74-inch display size on the DJI RC remote controller, with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels and a brightness of 700 nits, along with a 60 Hz refresh rate. The drone itself has a battery capacity of 2,453 mAh, providing a battery life of up to 51 minutes. And the Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, allowing for a total flight time of up to 114 minutes, with a charging speed of 20 W. The camera is a 48-megapixel half-inch sensor, capable of capturing 4K video at 60 frames per second, and the drone has 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. The weight of the drone is approximately 249 grams, and its dimensions are 148 by 82 by 55 millimeters when folded and 245 by 290 by 55 millimeters when unfolded. The DJI RC remote controller runs on the DJI O3 Plus video transmission system, which provides a range of up to 32,800 feet or 10 kilometers and features Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6. The drone also has a variety of special features, including vertical shooting, automatic obstacle avoidance, and advanced tracking modes. In real-world use, the DJI Mini 3 has proven to be an incredibly capable and reliable drone. The battery life has been impressive, easily reaching the advertised 51 minutes per battery, and the display on the DJI RC remote controller is bright and clear, even in direct sunlight. The drone is also very fast and responsive, with smooth and stable video transmission, even when flying at high speeds or in areas with lots of interference. The build quality of the drone feels solid and premium, with a comfortable weight and balance, and the audio quality from the remote controller is clear and loud. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 has been a joy to use, with a seamless and intuitive user experience. Real-world reviews praise the DJI Mini 3 for its incredible image quality, with many users commenting on the vibrant colors and impressive level of detail captured by the 48-megapixel camera. Users also love the ease of use and intuitive interface of the DJI RC remote controller, which makes it easy to navigate and control the drone. Additionally, the drone's advanced tracking modes have been praised for their accuracy and reliability.